Let us examine our raw CSV data file closely to see what needs cleaning right now. Notice the messy columns and missing values present across the spreadsheet that we are going to fix together. Let us scroll down further right now to inspect more rows and understand the full scale of our dataset. Here is our newly cleaned CSV data file ready for powerful analysis and completely seamless integration. Look very closely at how clean and structured every single column looks after our automated data processing steps. Now let us explore Google Colab together and discover why it is truly the best cloud notebook platform. Notice the simple zero configuration setup and free GPU resources that greatly accelerate our heavy machine learning tasks. Next, let us discuss LLaMA models which offer open source AI with elite reasoning and coding performance. These models come in multiple sizes and are easily adaptable for all of our specific domain tasks. Here is our complete data pipeline moving smoothly right from raw drive storage directly to clean data files. Raw CSV data feeds into our LLaMA model which processes every entry according to our specific custom prompt. Let us follow this complete step-by-step guide to build our AI workflow. All necessary code and data files are linked directly in the video description below.